Hello, everyone. Do you want to speak English more confidently and learn new vocabulary at the same time? Then you're in the right place. When it comes to speaking English, learning grammar and vocabulary is definitely important. But there's one thing that many learners forget. You have to train your mouth to speak. Don't just read English silently in your head. Listen to English videos, repeat what you hear, and speak out loud. And yes, you're going to make mistakes. You may pronounce something wrong, use the wrong tense, or forget a word. That's completely okay. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and don't quit. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become. And little by little, you'll start gaining confidence. So, in this series, we're going to learn some useful vocabulary. Not just the meanings, but also how to use these words in real-life conversations. Hopefully, these words will help you improve your English, express yourself more naturally, and take your speaking skills to the next level. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1. Accord means agreement. For example, after a long discussion, we finally reached an accord. You can also say, we are in accord with each other. Number 2. Abound, meaning there are lots of something. For example, during summer, mangoes abound in our local market. Another natural example. Opportunities abound for people who work hard. Number 3. Consent means permission or agreement. For example, my father gave his consent for me to study abroad. Very useful phrase, with your consent. Another example. With your consent, I'd like to share your idea with the team. Number 4. Eloquence. Eloquence means powerful and impressive speaking. For example, her eloquence made the audience listen carefully. Useful phrase. He spoke with great eloquence. Another example. The teacher spoke with such eloquence that everyone became interested in the topic. Number 5. Evasion. Evasion means avoiding a question or responsibility. For example, his answer was an evasion of the real question. Related adjective. Evasive means avoiding giving a direct answer. For example, stop being evasive and tell me what really happened. No 6 reluctant means not willing to do something. For example, I was reluctant to ask for help, but eventually I realized I needed it. Number 7. Solemn means very serious and formal, often because of sadness or an important occasion. For example, the wedding ceremony was beautiful and solemn. Easy way to remember solemn means serious and not cheerful. Number 8. Hustle means to move or work quickly and energetically, especially when you're busy trying to achieve something. Real life example, I've been hustling all week to finish my work before the deadline. Another example is, if you want to build your own business, you have to hustle and stay consistent. Easy way to remember. Hustle means work hard, move fast, and keep pushing. Number 9. Allure means a strong attraction or charm that makes something or someone appealing. For example, the allure of working abroad attracted many young people. Easy way to remember. Allure means something that strongly attracts you. Number 10. Apparently means according to what you have heard or discovered. For example, apparently the meeting has been postponed until next Monday. So, that's all for today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay confident. Good luck, everyone.